Hello guys, this is Aarti and welcome to Aarti's Kitchen. Today we'll be making Malai Kulfi and the ingredients for it are half liter milk, dry fruits, 2 tablespoons of custard powder and 5 tablespoons of sugar. So let's get started. Firstly, to our custard powder we'll add in some milk. And dissolve our custard powder. Make sure to use cold milk, do not use hot milk for it, or else lumps will be formed in this custard mixture. So firstly we'll heat up our milk on a high flame till it comes to boil. And now our milk is almost boiled. Now we'll add in our sugar to it. This is 5 tablespoons of sugar. You all can vary the proportion of sugar as per your choice. And then we need to stir our milk frequently on intervals. But we need to lower the flame now. And then after 10 minutes we'll add in our custard mixture to our milk. And after adding our custard mixture we need to constantly stir our milk so that no lumps are formed into it, and cook it for around further 5 minutes. And to our milk, lastly we'll drop in our dry fruits. Here we have taken pistachio and almonds. You all can also add in dry fruits of your choice. And then give our milk a stir again. If custard powder is not available with you all can also add in cornstarch to our milk. The reason for adding custard powder was to give our milk a thick consistency, which we have got here. Switch off the flame. And set this mixture to cool. Our custard has now cooled down, and we'll whisk it further or blend it or grind it into our mixer and then pour it into our kulfi molds. Here we'll whisk it so that it gets an even consistency. Now we'll pour our mixture into our kulfi molds. We have now filled in our kulfi molds, and now we'll secure it with a lid. And now we have secured all our kulfi molds with their lids, and now we'll freeze it for 4 to 8 hours. Our kulfi is almost set now, and now we'll place our mold into a utensil full of water. Doing this will easily demold our kulfi. And now after 2 minutes we'll try to demold our kulfi. So our malai kulfi is now ready. We'll now serve it. Now we have served our malai kulfi. So guys, our malai kulfi is now ready, and if you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please do try this recipe and drop your comments in the comment section below. And thank you for watching.